Hi friends, Phil Nightingale with Mel Hambelton Ford Racing. We're excited to announce we've launched an all-new, user-friendly, state-of-the-art website. mhfordracing.com is up and live and ready to go. The new website features thousands of different products and continuing to grow. To better position Mel Hambelton Ford Racing with the demand of racers, this is a huge step for Mel Hambelton Ford Racing. In this video, I will walk you through the navigation and functions of the new site. Let's start with the homepage. The homepage features some of our best and most popular products. Check in frequently as we will continue to update our catalog and running specials. You can shop by category or by brand. Click the shop button in the navigation. All the products are well organized and easy to find. You can also search for products by using the powerful live search bar. Updates automatically while typing to provide quick filtering. You can even add to the cart from the search list to save time. Many of our products come in different sizes, shapes, and colors to customize your race car. Use the product level drop-down menus to select the perfect fitting for your system. Read product reviews. Please consider leaving reviews after purchasing to help fellow racers find the best products in the market. Looking for a product that is currently out of stock? Use the wish list feature to keep track of all the products you would like to purchase in the future. We will even notify you once the product becomes available or goes on sale. Consider creating an account to check out faster, access order history, track order status, and save multiple wish lists. Most orders over $99 ship for free. Subscribe to our newsletter for new product announcements and limited time specials. You can sign up during checkout or at the bottom of every page on the website. Now is a great time to buy gift certificates for your family and/or friends. Are you an engine builder, car builder, retailer, or track support operation? We want to work with you. Simply log in with your approved dealer login and enjoy the benefits of wholesale pricing. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. We look forward to taking care of all your current and future racing needs. What are you waiting for? Go to mhfordracing.com now.